In this clip you can see a very amazing mobile save cover. You can easily save your mobile from water with the help of this cover. This basket is very useful for you. In this tissue box you can keep tissue and any other things. You can hang shoes with this stand. This plastic basket is very useful. After you use this, you can easily fold this basket. In this can you can keep soap. This towel is very useful for dry your hands. This is a plastic small tissue box. You can easily keep soap in this rack. This plastic rack is very useful for you. You can easily hang your brush with this rack. And you can easily use paste by help of this. This is very amazing step. By using this plastic small clips, you can hang your hair dryer with this stand. This small mirror is very amazing for you. You can easily use this tool. This is very amazing electric instrument. You can easily use this. You can easily clean your mirror with the help of this instrument. This is very amazing small plastic box. This small mat is very useful for you. By using this liquid, you can easily clean your bath with the help of brush. These small mats are very useful for you. You can see very amazing plastic racks. You can attach these stacks with your wall and keep anything. By using these plastic clips, you can hang your shower with this. In this clip, you can see small plastic drawers. By using this stand, you can easily hang anything. In this stand, you can easily hang your towel. This shoes mat is very amazing for you. You can easily clean this mat. These plastic boxes are very helpful for you. You can easily use these boxes and keep anything in these boxes. I hope these all clips are very helpful for you. Please after watch this video, subscribe my channel and like this video.